First, remove this small cover. Hold the mirror and bracket and turn it left. Cut the zip tie, then unplug the plug. Break the front of the shell, and break the edge of the ceiling. Remove the shell. Assemble the new bracket and streaming media. Remove the yellow piece from the original bracket and install it on our bracket. Pass the harness on the back of the mirror through the shell. And store it in the gap of the ceiling. Then pull the edge of the ceiling. Put the shell back. Align the buckle. Fasten the front end. Then align the base and turn it to the right. Install the streaming media. You can use a zip tie here. Bundle the wires. Then put the small cover back on. Pull out the rubber strip. Remove the threshold skin. First, remove the side cover plate. Then remove the velour threshold. There is a buckle here. Disconnect the vehicle before connecting the plug. Plug the large plug into the socket. The small plug is connected to the original car plug. Open the cover plate of the A-pillar. The other end of the wire is from the airbag, the gap between the airbag and the A-pillar. Connect the plug. Set the extension cable in the same way. In the same way? Then store it in the ceiling. Use a zip tie to bundle the wire, bundled on the original vehicle circuit. Store the large socket reserved here. Restore the removed cover plate. Pull down the rubber strip of the rear door frame. Remove the cover from the other end of the extension cord. Tie the threading device. And then pass it through the gap in the B-pillar. Pull out the soft rubber tube here at the tailgate, and then pass the wire through this hole. When reinstalling the rubber strip, cover the edge of the rubber strip with the upper skirt. Pull out the other end of the rubber tube. You can spray some lubricant into the rubber tube. Pass the wire through the lower guanco. Put the lower pipe back. First, remove the U-shaped cover plate. Pry off the clips on both sides. Then you can remove the large cover plate. Pull out the rubber ring here. Disassemble the original lens assembly. After power off, unplug this plug. Unscrew 2 screws. Move the lens to the new assembly. Then tighten the screws. Remove the plug cover of the lens cable. Tie a threading device. Then pass it through this hole to the inside. Connect the plug of the original lens. Then align the buckle and install the new assembly. Spray some lubricant on the rubber ring. Then pass the rear ray through the rubber ring. And then put it back. Pay attention. There is a reserved hole on this rubber ring. Our wire comes out from here. The extension cord continues to pass through here. Put back the plug cover. Connect the plug. Use a zip tie to store the wire along the original line. The redundant wires are stored here. Then install the cover plate back in turn.